Hi there, it's Troy Sage, and today on Real Estate Talk, our friend and top-notch lender Ginger Anady from new Penn Financial is back with us again. Thanks again for being here.
Thank you, Troy.
I plan on doing a ton of these. These are super informational
That's
and very exciting.
fantastic. I appreciate you.
Basically what we have going on here today, we are going to talk about the myth, the stereotypical, oh my God, I've been through a bankruptcy, I've been through a short sale, or I've been for a foreclosure, I'm never going to be able to buy a home again. So can you touch on that briefly?
Absolutely, and it is a myth, because even though somebody's experienced a life-changing situation or an event, we call them, such as a bankruptcy, a foreclosure, a short sale, or many other credit challenges or life challenges that are thrown at us sometimes, you can buy again, and relatively quickly. Each type of loan, whether it be FHA, VA, USDA, or conventional, all have a different guideline requirement of how soon you can purchase again. You know, for instance, with a VA loan, 2 years after you've experienced a short sale, a foreclosure, or a bankruptcy, you can purchase again.
So a veteran in just 24 months.
24 months.
They can buy another house.
Absolutely, and if it's a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, it's actually 1 year. It's 12 months.
So Chapter 13, they just had to reorganize what's going on with their finances, and maybe they had a life-changing event, and they couldn't afford to make their payments, so they reorganized, and then boom, a year later, they can go and buy a house.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's amazing. I didn't know that about VA. That's fantastic. Talk to us a little bit, because I've done a lot of short sales, and I'm getting a lot of calls now from people that have been through short sales, 2007 through 2012, right. And they were really scared at the time, I'll never buy a home again. What's the rule of thumb on that?
With a conventional loan, a short sale is 4 years. 4 years from the date it recorded.
Okay.
With an FHA, or a USDA, it's going to be 3 years.
So in 3 years after a short sale, they can buy again.
Absolutely.
So those of you that have been through short sales, if you, I don't want to say did the smart thing, but it would be the smart thing. The bank forgave your old debt, and you saved money, and you want to get back in the real estate, and you want to buy another property, you saved money, and you can, in 3 years.
Absolutely. Now there are some loans that we have one called a home key, and with the home key loan, you can actually purchase 12 months, 1 year after a bankruptcy, a foreclosure, or a short sale, even if it was a strategic short sale, meaning that you knew you were upside down and you wanted to go ahead and sell the home with a short sale and purchase again later. You can do that 12 months later. With the home key, though, there's particular requirements because it's a larger down payment.
So this is great news for anyone that has had a bankruptcy, a short sale, or a foreclosure. It's not doomsday. The world hasn't come to an end. You can buy a home again. You don't have to be a renter forever. The key thing is getting in touch with a lender like Ginger, someone that knows the business, someone that's going to protect their interest, and someone that will understand how to create that story for the underwriter.
Absolutely. As a matter of fact, I do recommend, even if somebody's had a life-changing event like that, to go ahead and contact the lender, even if it's just directly afterwards, so they can start making the steps to move forward in the future. And the lender can let them know, at the guidelines this time, this is how long you're going to have before you can do this, or these are the steps you need to take. It's very important to build that up front, because a lot of times people they'll wait till, okay, I've waited till the seasoning is done and I'm ready to go buy, and then they find out there's something else that they didn't take care of.
Yeah, it's really, really important for any of you buyers that are watching this, that you have a game plan. And we talk about this when we work with our clients, with buyers and sellers. There has to be a game plan. So you might get that itch to buy a home today, but then they pull credit and find out there was something else on there besides a short sale, bankruptcy, or
or there's something
foreclosure.
showing up in their documentation, like their bank statements, with how they're documenting the funds that are going in.
This is great information. I do appreciate you being part of this real estate talk with us. We're going to have more episodes with you, because there's so much information, and the lending industry changes like weekly, it seems like.
It does.
So my name is Troy Sage. This is Real Estate Talk. I appreciate you watching our videos. Please subscribe, and as always, make it a great day.